Hello everyone, today we will have a look at the AIWA CAW37, this vintage cassette recorder. I bought it a long time ago. I don't remember how much I paid, but it's something between $10 to $20. So yeah, I bought it and I had it in the storage for long. I'm looking for a decent vintage cassette player to keep, so this was one of them, one of the ones that I bought. So let's have a look and see if it's any good. So it has a detachable speakers, which is something I don't prefer. We have 3 equalizers, graphic equalizers, and 3 what is it, this one, 3 or 4 radio bands, FM, shortwave 2, shortwave 1, and medium wave. And this is for the fine tuning. FM mode, stereo, mono, and the dubbing speed, high and normal. And this is the functions. We have tape, radio, line in, etc. This is the volume knob and the balance. 2 cassette decks, 1 recording and 1 just plays. Microphone input, phones output. This is the tuning dial indicator here. On the back we have line in, switch, OSC switch, and these are for the detachable speakers. Battery compartment, clean, never been used with the batteries. This is the AC input jack, voltage selector, 110, 120 to 220, 240. And this one looks like it's made in Japan. So let's turn it on and see if it works. That's SW FM.
Also do some picture framing, always doing something very interesting on a Sunday afternoon, Carl. Way too hot to be out in the garden today. Yeah. Completely understand how you feel. I'm very fortunate to be in this lovely studio over here and enjoying this great music as well. Let's keep going with some more music. One of the other highlights of Sauti za Busara 2024, a singer-songwriter from South Africa called Zo.
This is the SW2. Maybe we need to extend the SW1. I think the switch needs cleaning. MW.
Pomoći s vještinama potrebnim da pacijentima pruže njegu koju zaslužuju. Kako izvještava Aleksanifantis, demencija je zdravstveno stanje koje nosi brojne
but if you can keep your sport, such a turnover of population,
So the radio works, the FM and the MW. The shortwave is not great.
Fish that have been launched. Fish. I'm Anne Jones, and the What the Duck producer is Patria Ladd.
There is as you can see, there is only one LED light, a tiny one here, and there is no other indicators. So it's boring, kinda.
What are you doing? You want to be
So
on the radio?
let's see now the tape. Let's play. Okay, we put it upside down. And the speed, the dubbing, it was fast. So this one works. Works. Fast forward, rewind, everything works. Pause, eject, and let's see the other one. Play. It's not clear. The first one is better, I think. Yeah, this one is better. Maybe this one needs cleaning. Yeah, as you can see, this head is very dirty, so it needs cleaning a little bit. The other one, it's better, I think. We'll clean them both and see. I'm not gonna wash it because it's relatively clean, so I'm just gonna wipe it from outside, but we will take it apart and have a peek inside. To detach the speaker, we need to press on this lever here and pull up.
Apart from the lead singer, you spit a bit.
Works great. Now let's try the other one, which wasn't working before.
They was claiming that I love.
Yeah, all good. And radio, where is the radio?
What are we, 33, something like that. It's 34, I'm not sure. I've lost count now. It's all downhill from here, isn't it?
And that's it, all done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.